In this video, we're going to talk about repeated subtraction, this time with division. All right, so I'm back to my 20 pieces of candy to 5 students. How many pieces of candy does each student get? And of course, we know the answer is 4. But I want to show you how you do this with repeated subtraction. It's a little strange, but this is how it works. Okay, so imagine I have my pile of candy. So that's my pile of candy. And now I'm going to subtract 5 out, and this is representing 1 piece to each kid. Okay. You don't have to write these notes, by the way, but I'm just telling you that that's what it represents. I'm passing out 1 to each kid. Okay, I now have 15. I'm going to do that again. Pass it out again. So now there's another piece. Now I have 10 left. I still have enough for another piece. There's 5 left. Do I have enough to pass out? I do. I have exactly enough. So the reason why this process is tricky is not that subtraction's hard. I know you guys can subtract. I know you can get to 0 or have a remainder. But it's where's my answer? And my answer is this, that I subtracted 5 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So my answer is actually the number of subtractions that I do. So here my answer is 4 because each kid got 4 pieces of candy. The subtraction is representing me dealing out 1 to every kid, 1 to every kid, 1 to every kid, 1 to every kid. So that would be 4 to each kid. All right, let's try a bigger problem. What if I had, I don't know. Let's say I had 60, let's say I had 60 slices of pizza. And let's say I had 23 kids. Okay, 60 slices of pizza to 23 kids. So here what would happen is that when I subtract 23, that means that everybody gets 1 slice. Okay, so when I subtract down, I think I'm going to get 37. I chose some crazy numbers. You're shocked, aren't you? That's all right. Okay, now if I subtract 23 again, I get 14. Can I deal out 14 slices of pizza to 23 kids? Not without some clever cutting of slices. So that's going to be our leftover. Okay, so here what happens is that 60 divided by 23 is 2, and I have a remainder of 14. The number of times I subtract is my answer. Whatever this last number is my remainder. So my remainder could have been 0 in the last example, or here, the very odd 14. So if somebody asks me how many slices of pizza will each of the 23 kids get, I'm going to tell them they each get 2 slices of pizza. There's 14 left over. All right, so that is repeated subtraction.